Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Thank you, Director Arnel at 10 na mga kasama mo sa MDRR mo. Sa ating mga kababayan, pasensya na kayo. We try to limit information about this as much as we can so that everybody will be surprised. Because as you all know, wala naman nakakahula kung kailan ang big one. So, pamisa-misan, nakaka-create ng discomfort in regular working hours or studying time ng ating mga mag-aaral. But as like I have given directive to Director Arnel Angeles and MDRRMO, continue to remind in our own little way that this thing may happen anytime. It can be in the morning, can be in the afternoon or evening or any time of the day. And this is our own little effort as a city government to continue to remind the possibility of such incident. Lagi lang tayo nagpapasalamat sa Diyos pagka hindi dumarating. Pero sabi rin ng mga matatanda natin, daig ng maagap ang masipag. Kaya lagi tayong inaagapan natin at ang awareness sa puso't isipan ng ating mamamayan na it may happen. But for now, we'll start na habang nagsisigawan sila na hindi pa nila alam na magkakaroon ng earthquake drill, which is a very good. And thank you for coming to our friends in the media and to the bloggers. And then, Arnel, let's begin. Then let's see. Thank you and good afternoon. Maraming salamat sa inyo.